Hi, I'm Michael McPadden from the Tango API team, here to tell you more about Tango's mobile procurement API. In this short video, I'll give you a quick explanation of the meta block included in most API responses, as well as explain what it typically includes. Almost every API response includes one or more blocks named meta. These contain metadata, that is, supplementary information about other data that is returned within the same response. A single response can contain multiple occurrences of these meta blocks, each one nested within a different section of that response. However, the location of each block is important since it implies which portion of the response that the metadata relates. In other words, a block of metadata is only relevant to the data block in which it is located. Let's take a look at an actual response in our developer portal so I can show you exactly what I mean. Okay, here's a response that includes a collection of employee records. Notice the meta block that is located at the beginning of the response body JSON. Because it is at the root level, its metadata relates to the entire response. It contains properties like total count, as well as metadata to support pagination. For more information about pagination, please just view the video on that topic. Now let's take a look at a meta block nested a little deeper in the response. Specifically, let's look at the first employee record. This employee's meta block contains metadata relevant to that specific employee's detail record only. We can see that it contains a URL to access that particular employee's record. This supplementary information could be very useful in a variety of use cases. For example, using this response to populate an employee list. It would be very easy to include a link to view all of that employee's details and not just the data that's returned in this collection. This meta block also includes other related information, such as the API call to get all of the data or service assets for that employee. You can easily imagine a use case of an employee list, which you add links to get a device or service asset that are assigned to this employee. By conveniently providing these calls, it saves the API consumer the trouble of cobbling those URIs together. As you can see, the meta blocks within a response can contain many helpful pieces of information, supplementing the results being returned. These can be used in all sorts of creative ways depending on your use cases. I hope you found this video useful. For more information and tutorials on other topics, we recommend browsing the MobProc API video library at mobproc.tv, in our documentation website at mobproc.info. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and have a great day.